You sent the first message and the lead disappeared. Say goodbye to this problem. With Calendar's delay feature on WhatsApp, you can schedule automated messages to kick in as soon as the lead doesn't reply. At the interval you choose, whether minutes or hours. Let's see how this works in practice. I'll create a funnel here inside WhatsApp Journey Builder so you can understand the process as clearly as possible. I'll start by creating a message with multiple responses. Here I'll type my question, and now I'll add 2 buttons. Let's continue the funnel. I'll add a form for those who answer yes. We have other detailed tutorials showing how this works. I'll type my text for those who answer yes, and then add a form. Now let's add the info message element. I'll add here the response for those who fill out the form. Then we'll make the connections. I'll drag the yes option to the form and the form to the response. Now let's create the response for those who select no. I'll select the info message block and type my response there. Then I connect the no response to this info message block. Finally, our funnel is ready, but we still have one problem. What if the user doesn't interact with my question? Will I lose the lead? Not anymore. This is where we'll use the delay option. It's located here on the left side. Let's drag it to our panel. The delay lets me send a message to the lead after a pause in my flow. Here I can select the period in hours or minutes. For example, I can set this message to be sent again 4 hours later if the lead hasn't interacted with my message. All I need to do now is connect the initial block to this delay block, and then connect the delay block back to the initial block. But since I want to show how this works in practice on WhatsApp, I'll set just 1 minute of waiting. Now, after 1 minute, if the user doesn't interact, they'll receive the message again. Let's test the flow we built in Calendar. I'll select the WhatsApp app here. Now I'll write the message I configured to receive the flow. Immediately, I receive the first message. I can click on one of the responses, but let's say the user simply ignores you. So let's wait 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has passed. And look, I received the message again. Amazing, isn't it? This encourages the lead to respond. Now I can interact with the flow, and as you can see, I'll still receive the entire sequence I set up on WhatsApp. This is yet another incredible feature of Calendar. See you in the next tutorial.